Hello students, so let's continue our topic. So the first question is, see, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. See, this question is different from the last questions which we have solved. This question is of trapezium. Now let's first draw the diagram of the trapezium. See, this is a trapezium, and in trapezium we have two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. See, these are the parallel sides and these are the non-parallel sides. Now the length of parallel sides are given, that is 10 meter. So this will be 10, and from here to here it is 25 meter. Okay, and non-parallel sides are 13 and 14. So let it be 14 meter and this be 13 meter. Now for finding the area of trapezium we need to have the height of the trapezium, but in this question height is not given, so our first aim is to find the height of the trapezium. So for calculating the height we will construct a parallel side to the side AD. Now this is the parallel side which we have constructed, which is parallel to AD. Okay, and this will be the height of the trapezium. Let it be F point. Now let us write the informations first. See, in figure ABCD, in figure ABCD we have AB parallel to CD. See, AB parallel to CD. In construction we have drawn draw a parallel side CE to the AD. Draw CE which will be parallel to AD. It means AD will be parallel to CE. Now see, AD is parallel to CD, so this will also be of 14 meter, and since AECD is a parallelogram, so this is 10, so this AE will also be 10 meter, and from the whole AB 25, this is 10, so this remaining side will be 15 meter. Okay, subtract 10 from the 25, we will get 15 as EB. Now we will write all the given information, that is AB is equal to 25 meter, CD is equal to 10 meter, and for EB, AB minus AE, it means 25 minus 10, so this will be 15 meter. First of all we have to find the height, and for finding the height we need to have a area of triangle BEC. So see, in triangle CEB, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. See, the sides of the triangle are 13, 14 and 15. So 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. We will get here 13 plus 14 plus 15 means 7. This will be 42 upon 2, and after dividing this we will get 21 as S. Now area, see, area will be S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now put the values. S is 21 into, see, direct I am subtracting and writing the values here. 21 minus 13, so 21 minus 13 will be 7 and 1 8 into 21 minus 14, this will be 6 plus 1 7 into 21 minus 15, this will be 6. Now split all the terms. 21 means 3 into 7, 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, 7 will remain 7, and 6 means 2 into 3. Now see, From the pair of 3, 1 3 will come out. From the pair of 2, there are 2 pairs of 2, so 2 times 2 will come out. And from the pair of 7, 1 7 will come out. This will give 3 2s are 6 and 14. So 6 2s are 12, 7s are 84 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle. Okay, here we have only area of triangle. Now by using this area, we know that area of triangle is equal to, see, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. See, area of triangle we got here 84, so keep here 84, 1 by 2 into base. Base of the triangle is 15 and height we have to find. So 84 into 2, this 2 will go up and 15 will come down, equal to h. So after cancellation, so they cancel it by 3, this will be 5, and here you will get 2 and 8. Okay, the 28 into 2 will be 56 upon 5. This will be the h. Now we got the height and area. See, for now area of trapezium, area of trapezium A, B, C, D. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so half into parallel sides are 10 and 25, so 10 plus 25 into height. Height is 56 upon 5. No need to change this 56 upon 5 into decimal, because this is directly using here, and this will make this calculation easier. Half into 35 into 56 upon 5. 5 7s are 35 and 2 into 28. See, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. 28 into 7. So on multiplying this, 7 8s are 56, carry will be 5, and this will be 19 centimeter square. So this is the final area of the trapezium, 196 centimeter square. See, once again I am explaining this question. See, we have figure trapezium. In trapezium we don't have given height, so first we have to find the height. So we will draw a parallel line which will be parallel to AD, and now after this triangle we will first calculate the area of triangle by using Heron's formula, and after finding the area we will use this area for finding the height, and after getting the height we can put this value in the formula of trapezium. See, trapezium's area formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Now we kept all the values here and we got the area. So this is the solution of this question. Here is the next question. See, find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4, DA is 5 and AC is 5. See, quadrilateral is given, then we can make any quadrilateral, any type of quadrilateral. So here is the diagram, and we have also mentioned all the sides. AB is 3, BC is 4 and CD is 4, AD is 5 and AC diagonal is again 5 centimeter. See, we have to find the area of this whole quadrilateral. Now directly we can't find, because we don't have any particular formula for finding the area of this quadrilateral. So we will divide this quadrilateral into two triangles, first and second. Now we will find the area of first triangle, then separately we will find the area of second triangle, and then we will add that two areas to get the area of quadrilateral. So see, we are solving this question into two parts. Here we will find the area of triangle ABC. So here we will find the area of triangle ABC, and here we will find the area of triangle ACD. Okay, so first we will solve this question. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Because for finding the area of triangle we know that we have only Heron's formula. So here we are using that formula. ABC sides are 3, 4 and 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. It means 12 by 2 and S will be 6. So this is the value of X. Now by Heron's formula. See, Heron's formula is area is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Directly I am writing here values. S is 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now make the pair of 6, 2 into 3, so sorry, find the factors of 6, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 into 1 will be same. From the pair of 2, 2 will come out and from the pair of 3, 3 will come out and 1 will be as same. 3 to the 6 centimeter square. This is the area of ABC triangle. Now we will calculate the area of ACD triangle. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 2 means 14 by 2 and this will be 7. By Heron's formula, see, S area is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put the values 7, as the value of S is 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, then again 7 minus 5 is 2 and 7 minus 4 is 3. See, only 2 will come out because 3 into 1 we can't factorize 3 and we also can't factorize 7. So only 2 will come out and root 21. 7 3s are 21. Now in this we have to find the value of root 21 and the value of root 21 is 4.2. The value is 4.58. After making the round figure of 558 we will get 6. So 4.6 will be the value of root 21. Now multiply it. 9.2 centimeter square will be the area. See, this is the area of ACD triangle. This is the area of ABC triangle. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD. The area of quadrilateral will be area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD means 6 plus 9.2. So this will be 15.2 centimeter square. So this is the final solution of this question. If you have any question of this type, then divide this quadrilateral into two triangles, then find the area separately for the two triangles and then add that areas, you will get the area of whole quadrilateral. So this is the solution of this question, and after this question this chapter is over. That's it for today and thank you.